These AI car transformation videos are blowing up right now. One page using this exact style has already crossed 42,000 followers, and their best videos pulled 4.1 million, 6.1 million. I made one myself with AI in less than 3 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for Car Transform Generator and open the first result. Click Start the Generator. It will instantly give you 10 viral car transformation ideas. Pick any style you like. I chose the first one. Next, ChatGPT will generate 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt for you. Copy the first image prompt and open Google Flow. Select the image option. Turn on your preferred settings, paste the prompt, and generate the image. Pick the image you like most, open it, tap the 3 dots, and select Add to Prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the second scene image. Download both images. After that, switch to the Image to Video option. Choose your settings, then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Upload the first image as the starting frame and the second image as the ending frame. Paste the video prompt and hit Generate. Within seconds, your AI car transformation video will be ready to post. Here are some other videos I made using the exact same method. Subscribe for more tutorials like this and drop a like if this helped you out.